Hey guys, today I'm making a Pizza Hut style choc chip cookie. Start by adding your softened butter into a bowl, then add in your white and brown sugar and mix it together till smooth and creamy. Then add in the egg, vanilla and baking soda or bicarbonate of soda and mix it together well. Swap out the whisk for a spatula, scrape down the sides of the bowl, then add in all of the flour. Mix this together well till you have a smooth, slightly sticky dough. Grease 2 foil pie trays and divide the dough equally between them. Use your fingers to spread out the dough. Then dip your fingers into some water to help you even it out. Divide your chocolate equally between both trays and spread it out evenly. Push the chocolate in slightly using your hands, then bake this at 180 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes or till the sides of the cookie are golden brown. Remove them from the oven, and while they are still hot, use a sharp knife to cut them into 6 or 8 pieces. Add your melted chocolate into a Ziploc bag and snip off the corner. Then drizzle the chocolate over the top of the cookie. Repeat this with the other one. Don't allow the cookies to cool off too much, as these are best served warm. And they're ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.